Welcome to the Arkesel tutorial on how to send voice SMS to a group of your desired contacts. Today, we'll walk you through the process in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, let's create a contact list. Navigate the dashboard and select Contact. If you don't already know how to create a contact, be sure to check out our tutorial on how to create contacts on our channel for a step-by-step instruction. Once you've created your new contact list, you can move on to the next step. After creating your contact, let's send our voice SMS to a group. On the dashboard, click on Voice SMS and select Send Voice SMS to Group. Here, on the Contact field, let us provide the contact list that holds the recipient numbers we want to send our group voice SMS to. Now, let's take a look at the recipients field. Here you can add any additional phone number that isn't on your contact list. You can enter multiple numbers, separated by a semicolon, horizontal bar, tab, or new line. The system will also allow you to remove any duplicates that exist in your recipient field. Next, you'll need to choose the audio file you want to send. Arkesel supports audio files in either MP3 or WAV format. Click the Choose File button to upload your audio file. Arkesel provides you with the option of scheduling your message to be sent at a later time. To do this, simply check the Send Later choice box and give the time you would like your SMS to be sent. Finally, click the Send Voice SMS button to send your group voice SMS. To check the voice SMS history and verify the status of voice SMS sent to each recipient, navigate to Reports on the dashboard and select Voice SMS Campaigns. Find the campaign you just sent, and click the Report button. Here, you'll see an overview of the status of the voice SMS sent in this campaign. To verify the status of voice SMS sent to each recipient, click on the Recipients option above. Review the history to ensure delivery status either answered, not answered, busy or submitted. Please note that Arkesel does not charge your account for unanswered voice SMS. And that's it. You've successfully sent voice SMS to a group using Arkesel. If you have any more questions, kindly contact us for further assistance. Please feel free to explore our other tutorials on the Arkesel channel. Thanks for watching.